Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the ChillGrinch token. Now the ChillGrinch token is trending #1 on Dex Screener and #5 on Dex Tools right now. Very popular project. We're going to go over the information on the ChillGrinch token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token right now has a market cap of $3.5 million. That is also their fully diluted valuation. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $34.6 million. And just today, they've had 160,456 transactions. So right now, they have $330,000 worth of liquidity in Radium. And it says on Dex Screener that 100% of their liquidity pool is locked and burned. So that's also great to see. Still trending #1 on Dex Screener. They have been doing marketing on Dex Screener. There is the marketing boost button and it says 11,000 lightning bolts ads boost. So that's good to see as well, shilling out the token. And right now it's been working because it is up 3,878% in the past 24 hours. And this token only came out 19 hours, 20 minutes ago. This token was created on pump.fun. You can tell because the contract address ends in pump. They have 688.2 pooled SOL in Radium, which is equivalent to 43,754,000 pooled chill tokens. Now they have the ticker symbol is CHILLGR, and then the full name of the token is ChillGrinch, all one word. They only have one liquidity provider so far, but they have 32,148 holders. So that's a lot of holders in a short amount of time. They have a couple of quick audits. One of them is on Dex Screener. It says no mintable tokens and contract is not freezable. If you go over to Dex Tools, you can find a different quick audit. They actually have more holders now according to Dex Tools. It says over 33,450 holders. And yeah, so on Dex Tools, they have a quick Intel security audit. And it says contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. Now they have a community trust score of 85.7% out of 14 votes and a Dex score of 99 out of 99. Now they started out with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. It's a deflationary token. So right now the total supply and circulating supply is 999.99 million tokens. Now this meme, this token here, it's actually trending #3 on Dex Tools now. It just jumped up. But yeah, this meme is basically a combination of the Grinch. The Grinch token came out yesterday. I mean, there's been many Grinch tokens in the past, but one came out yesterday. I believe it was a CTO as well, a community takeover, and that token was trending #1 for a long time. It's still trending on Dex Tools and Dex Screener right now in the top 10. And that token basically was so popular that they created other Grinch tokens based off that token. And there was another token about a week or two ago came out called the CHILLGUY. And that token's still trending in the top 10 as well. And this is a combination of both of those very popular memes, the ChillGrinch. So, yeah, this token, Rismus, is doing very well right now. Check out the Rismus token. That token's just exploding, but the ChillGrinch here, if you wanted to get this token, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Soulflare wallet, you could use a Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, any one of those wallets would do, Phantom wallet. You fund that wallet with Sol. Now you could download a wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. After you fund your wallet with Sol, you can fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links down there in the description box you could use. So after you fund your wallet with Sol, you'd go into the dApps, you would find Radium, and then you would trade your Sol for this token using the contract address you could find on their official webpage, chill-grinch.xyz. On the webpage, you could find a DEX Tools and DEX Screener chart. You could also find this token on SolScan, Birdeye, and then maybe in the future CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap. Their Twitter and Telegram are both linked on the webpage. Contract address, it has a button that will take you right to Radium. And it says, meet ChillGrinch, the real chilly Grinch. He is true gold, spreading winter chilly vibes wherever he goes. Some say he's part mythical creature, part internet sensation, but to us, he's just pure magic. Join the ChillGrinch gang and let this legend brighten your day. Now, if you click on the Telegram, it'll take you over to @ChillTheGrinch on Telegram. And they have 1,336 Telegram subscribers. And it says, I'm not spoiling the holiday, I'm filling it with alcohol. And they have preview the channel button, so that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, new token listing announcements, partnerships, memes, you name it. And then their Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen right here. You can see it has a blue verified check mark. 650 tweets. It says here they have 1,131 followers, and they're doing a little giveaway here. It looks like just posted 17 hours ago. It's the Ruined Christmas contest, and it says push the hashtag ChillGrinch in TikTok. The video should show our character, the ChillGrinch, and hashtag, and there's a prize there, so you can check all this out here. It says the top 5 best videos will receive a certain amount of USDT. Now just be aware, all these Twitter contests might not be legit, so I mean, make sure you're not wasting your time first. I'm not saying this one is legit or not legit, but I'm just saying there's a lot of ones out there that, you know, they have you do tasks and then there's never any fulfillment. So hopefully this one's a good one, but go check it out. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.